Very good morning, scholars. Now today's our topic is about the byproduct of fishes. As we all know, fishes are very delicate creatures, and of course they are very useful to the human beings. So today we are going to start with the what is the byproducts of the fishes. Now here 15 important byproduct of fishes. There are 15 very important byproducts that are of fishes, that are fish liver oil, fish body oil, fish meal, fish manure, fish flour, fish fillet, fish soluble, fish sausages, fish macaroni, fish biscuits, fish glue, fish scale, fish films and fish medicinal products. These are the some important fish byproducts. Most important byproducts of fishes, these liver oil. Fish liver oil we can say is the most important byproduct of the fish. Why it is more important? We will discuss about this in detail. Most important, this is the most important byproduct of fish, storehouse of glycogen. As the name indicates, liver, it means storehouse of glycogen plus fat along with vitamin A and vitamin D. As we all know, vitamin A and vitamin D is very much necessary for the well-being of any human being. So, if we, it is mainly present in the cod liver, cod fishes, sharks, ray, tuna, and they have a very commercial value also. Composition, if we say, of the liver oil is water is 20% to 36%, and protein is 5% to 10%. Now, concentration of vitamin A and vitamin D varied from fishes to fishes. The concentration of vitamin A and vitamin D in particular fishes is different. It depends upon the fishes, the variety of fishes or species. It depends on them. Now here all these 15 are the very important byproduct of the fish, and here we are studying about the byproducts of liver oil. Yes, here you see the parts of fishes used for production of byproducts. These are the chart is divided into three categories: fish part, and this is the byproduct, and this is the uses. Here first is fat, liver and body. Fish liver and fat of liver and body. Fish liver oil plus vitamin A, fish body oil, fish flour and sausages, protein and other uses of fishes, fish meals, fish manure, fish glue, etc. Here you see the fish liver oil, vitamin A, and these fish body oil, they uses by the pharmaceuticals industries, and fish meal used by human consumptions, fish manure, fish glue in agriculture purpose, fish glue in industries, and animal charcoal industries, purification of liquid, and these enzymes and hormones are for pharmaceuticals. So these are the 5 important byproducts of the fishes. Here I can say to you that now what are the uses of fish liver oil. The crude liver oil is used for burning purposes or making lights in curing yards by the fishermen. Second, fish liver oil, because of its high vitamin A and vitamin D contents, can cure or prevent occurrence of diseases in human beings caused by the deficiency in the body of these two vitamins, such as impaired vision. If you the person they can't see normally, their eye defects is there, eyesight defect is there, abnormalities of skin is there, mucous membrane in vertebrate also. When taken orally, it will ensure good health, good growth of human bone and teeth, and will develop more resistance for bacterial attack. So we can say that the fish is very useful to us, and it provides vitamin A and vitamin D, especially the liver part of the body. And liver oil, different kinds of oil is also present, like fish liver oil, fish body oil, different kind of as you know, there are some fish tablets are also there, fish oil tablets are also also there, which use for the strength for your body. So if we are learning about the fish life cycle or fish as a whole, we must know, we must the first thing is we must calculate the all the part, and we learn all the part in comparison to that of vertebrate. It is like that of vertebrate. If we keep in mind like diseases, it is very simple and very sophisticated animal, and we learn with very sophisticated way without any tension. So you can learn the fish as a subject in a very interesting way. If you want to learn in a simple way, you must remember and you must learn, you must read the good books and learn like a story step by step. So today we have learned about the liver oil of the fish as a byproduct. Now tomorrow I will tell you some other benefits of the fish as a byproduct. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay fit.